Hello, 3 Nut is here. So I'm doing a video about just be careful who you talk to online or people calling you on your phone. I'm sure everyone know about that, but this is good for you. This camera sucks. Okay. So let's see. Okay, like for example, when you go on your email, there's a lot of spam. And sometimes it may go to your inbox. So what you do is go to inbox and whatever you think, like this one I'm getting job interview. When you click it, sometimes it's better not to click it because you never know. Like this one, I click it, it's a very risky and you don't want to risk that. So what you want to do is go to the 3 dot, it's a more. So click on that. Put a block. I don't know how I'm getting this all, So I usually just block it. Block. And then we say, you block this. Would you want to send it? I want to move it to the spam. Or you also can do this. Let's see. Click on that one. Let's see what we get. Hopefully my detection, oh, it did, okay. Okay, you can do that. Successful. Okay, good. Sometimes when I do unsub whatever the email is, it's a risky or detect something of something. Don't look at that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hopefully you guys didn't read that. Okay? Hopefully. This is my personal email. Let's see. This. Yeah, you can see it. I'm from Hawaii. Probably. So yeah, that's an example in your email site. So this is one way if you want to earn some money. So this ships. So they will ask your personal information, written response, video response, document signing. They will ask for the tax, your SSN. Is that okay for you? I feel like this is a legit company overall because when I was working at gym, a tracking company, we do this all. If our client or our employer were hiring someone, we have all those information. So this is really legit company. If you wanna, so about this, you can just Google, YouTube it, or Google or YouTube it of the information of this company when I'm here. You can do that. I don't wanna. So here, how it look like, how to apply and how to start earning. You can watch more if that's what you want. Basically, what they do is when they have free time or when I have free time, I can have an app for it, and people would order. Because of the COVID right now, many people don't like going out, and so what they do, they ask people to do it for their shopping. And basically, if you're a member of it, you can pick up their items, right? So yeah, you can YouTube, Facebook, you can search whatever information. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Sorry. So we're done with this one. also, you got to be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I'm googling it. I'm pretty slow, huh? Let's see. I wonder where's my glasses. My glasses is always the number one. If you need a glasses, always for them. So, don't look. I was trying to spell how you spell stuff. Okay, I guess that's not really a good idea to do that. What was it? Phone call. Phone. Money. Cost money. So when people call you about, I don't know, this is not about getting on the phone. Okay, someone just called me. If you do this, you gotta pay them $80, $200, to 180 to 400, or couple hundred right there. For many people it wouldn't be issue. However, when they said we're going to show you this and that, please make sure their company is very legit. Because if something happens, if you give them your bank information or SSN online and you're far away, please do not trust them 100% because honestly, from my experience, okay, this may be not really good, but this is good experience. Someone called me before online, oh, you will get this much amount of money if you're going to able to give us $200 in a gaming app. That, no, do not accept it. Do not accept it. Just say, work hard to earn the money. There's no free money. No easy way of earning money. Maybe some people does it for really smart. For me, you just gotta feel in your guts that it's correct. If it's something true, not it's so like it's unavailable to believe that's coming. Most of the time, it's better not to go for it. Don't go for it. Especially now with the COVID going on, everyone's having hard time in life. Me, I'm basically don't have a job after my college degree. I mean, now with the COVID thing, everything is, you know, everywhere. Living in Hawaii, it's not cheap. It's expensive, very expensive. So that's all for me for today. And I hope you guys enjoy. Enjoy. Let me see. Enjoy. I have a habit of showing my screens, and I hope no one will know who is this person talking. I guess know that my name isn't Trina, right? Okay, I think I'm done for the day. So please just be careful. Whatever happens, follow your guts. Okay? Thank you for watching again. 3 nuts. Is it still recording?